So I just got an Oraimo airbud 3, and personally as an Oraimo lover, this should be great because it has a lot of features. I'll place the features right here on the screen for you guys to see. So without further ado, let's unbox, guys. Okay, it also have some specific features you can change, like noise cancellation, you can turn it off, transparency, you can change your name. So after testing this, I think I'll give it a 5/10 for the sound quality. And one thing I noticed that it doesn't really give you the airbud sign as this when you connect to your phone as it should. So my conclusion is that this is good, but it isn't all that great. And I can't really blame Oraimo because I also don't think this is legit. My advice to you guys is do not buy your Oraimo product by the roadside. I think that's why I got a knockoff. I am Zenon. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time.